हाय फ्रेंड्स, नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो. क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशन या प्रकरणाच्या आधीच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण द नेचर ऑफ रूट्स ऑफ क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशन हा पॉइंट पाहिलेला आहे आणि आता त्याचाच पुढचा भाग आपण इथं पाहतोय. पॉइंट आहे द रिलेशन बिटवीन रूट्स ऑफ द क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशन अँड कोएफिशियंट्स. द रिलेशन बिटवीन रूट्स ऑफ द क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशन म्हणजे क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशनचे जे रूट्स आहेत अँड कोएफिशियंट्स, त्या इक्वेशन मध्ये जे सहगुणक आहेत त्यांच्यामध्ये सहसंबंध काय आहे तो आपल्याला बघायचा आहे. फॉर दॅट अल्फा अँड बीटा, these are the roots of the equations. Which is equation? ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. आपल्याला क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशन माहित आहे ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. याचे जे रूट्स आहेत ते रूट्स आपण अल्फा आणि बीटा घेतले. And we know here, so what are the alpha beta? So alpha is equal to here, so minus b plus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a, and beta is equal to minus b minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. By using these two roots and coefficients of this equation a, b, c, we see here relations. For getting first relation, we add these two roots alpha plus beta. So I write here alpha plus beta. पहिला जो संबंध आहे तो संबंध मिळवण्यासाठी आपण या दोन रूटची ऍडिशन घेतोय. सो अल्फा प्लस बीटा, I write here summation of these two roots. Look here, so minus b plus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Plus, what is value for beta? I write here some minus b minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now, add these two roots. In the addition of these two roots, there are denominator is same. So, I write here the denominator for this same, that is the 2a. And write numerator in the addition form minus b plus under root b square minus 4ac, and this here some minus b minus under root b square minus 4ac. Now after simplification, what you get here, sir? Look here, this term here, sir, plus under root b square minus 4ac and minus under root b square minus 4ac. So these two get cancels and remaining what here, so minus b minus b. So what you get here, so minus b, that is a minus 2b upon 2a, that is the same as it is. Now in this form there are in a numerator and denominator, that is a 2 is a common, it get cancels. So remaining what is here, so b upon a. So that is the first relation, alpha plus beta. We get here, so b upon a, but here minus sign, so right here, so minus b upon a. So that is the first relation in this. Now we draw your second relation. So what is second relation? I write here now for second relations, we take multiplication of these two roots. That is the product of these two roots. दुसरा रिलेशन मिळवण्यासाठी आपण ह्या दोन रूटचे काय करतोय, प्रोडक्ट घेतोय, मल्टिप्लिकेशन करतोय. सो आय राइट हियर सर सेकंड, that is the alpha into beta. So you take here product of these two roots. So what do you get here? So minus b plus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a into. So what is the value of beta? We write here value of beta minus b minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now take multiplication of this. So for multiplication I write here multiplication of numerators. Multiplication in numerator. What do you get? I write in bracket. In first bracket I write here minus b plus under root b square minus 4ac. So that is first term I write in brackets. Multiply, that is the product. Second brackets minus b minus b square minus under root b square minus 4ac upon, in a denominator you write a multiplication of 2a into 2a. So what do you get here, sir? 2 into 2, that is the 4, and a into a, that is the a square. Now you observe numerators. Now you observe in a numerator there are product of two brackets. पण या ब्रॅकेटचा विचार केला तर ब्रॅकेट मधलं पहिलं टर्म जे आहे मायनस बी सेम and second term under root b square minus 4ac under root b square minus 4ac. So you know here's one identity. Which is identity? That is I write here so in first bracket a plus b and second bracket a minus b. So what we write for this bracket? So that is as like same this bracket. So I write here a into a, that is the a square first term. For this bracket we write here expansion as like square of first term, that is a square, minus square of second term, that is a b square. So as like we write in this here. So what do you get here? So minus b, that is a square of minus b square minus square of second bracket. So I write here so under root b square minus 4ac bracket square upon 4a square. So you understand how to write this. ही स्टेप आपण कशी लिहिली तुमच्या लक्षात आलं असेल, त्यासाठी आपण ह्या आयडेंटिटीचा वापर केलेला आहे. सो वी राइट हियर सो minus b square, that becomes plus b square. This is minus sign same as it is, and under root b square minus 4ac bracket square. So that is square root, we take here so b square minus 4ac. So under root sign is removed here after squaring this, and upon 4a square. So again we write here sir, after for simplifications remove this bracket. What we get here? What we get here? B square minus b square minus plus 4ac upon 4a square. Now here say b square minus b square get cancels. So remaining what here sir? 4ac upon 4a square. So what do you get now here sir? 4 get cancels, and in this here say a upon a square. So 1a is cancels. So remaining only here so c upon a. So I write here so c upon a. So as like we get here so second relation, alpha into beta is equal to c upon a. So look here, so we get two relations. The relation between roots of quadratic equation and coefficients. So first relation is here, so addition of roots is equal to minus b upon a, and product of roots, that is the c upon a. So we get here so two relation in this. Now we share some examples and activities on this, but before this you write all this. Now we see here one activity. What is in this activity? या activity मध्ये काय आहे? Fill in the empty boxes below properly. तुम्हाला काही boxes दिले, ते boxes तुम्हाला proper भरायचे. So what is here given? For 10x square plus 10x plus 1 is equal to 0. Alpha plus beta is equal to box, and alpha into beta is equal to box. Now we know here sir alpha plus beta. What is the relation here sir? For alpha plus beta, you know here sir minus b upon a, and alpha into beta, that is a c upon a. Now look here sir, minus b a c, these are the coefficients in these equations. First you find this, what is the value of b a c. So I write here first, here a is equal to, what is a, that is a 10, b is equal to, that is a 10, and c is equal to 1. So these are the coefficients here. We apply this in this here sum. Look here sir, that is a minus b upon a, that is a b is equal to 10. So I write here sir minus 10 upon a means that is a 10. So minus 10 upon 10, that is a minus 1. So this is the value of alpha plus beta, minus 1. So we write here sir minus 1 in first box. Then alpha into beta. What is value of alpha into beta? That is a c upon a. So value of c, that is a 1, and value of a, that is a 10. So 1 upon 10. What I get here sir 1 upon 10. We write here sir 1 upon 10. So as like we apply the relation between roots of quadratic equation and coefficients, that is the alpha plus beta and alpha into beta, and solve this activity. Now we share some examples, but before this you write this activity, then we share some examples. Now we share some examples how to solve this. If alpha and beta are the roots of the quadratic equation 2x square plus 6x minus 5 is equal to 0, then find alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. So how is it? So for that, what we do first, सुरुवातीला आपण काय करणार आहे, अल्फा प्लस बीटा आणि अल्फा इंटू बीटाची किंमत काढण्यासाठी सुरुवातीला आपल्याला या इक्वेशन मध्ये असणारे कोएफिशिएंट्स घ्यायचे. सो कंपेअर दिस इक्वेशन. कंपेअरिंग, फर्स्ट यू राइट हियर सर कंपेअरिंग 2x square plus 6x minus 5 is equal to 0 with the standard form of quadratic equation, which is here so ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now compare this. 2x square, ax square, that is value of a, that is the 2. Therefore, right here so a is equal to 2. Then 6x and bx. So what is the value of b? That is the 6. So b is equal to 6. And minus 5 plus c, that means the value of c is equal to minus 5. So right here so c is equal to minus 5. Now using these values, we solve here first alpha plus beta. So we know here so alpha plus beta, that is formula. What is here so minus b upon a. Put up the values, minus b. So what is the value of b here? So 6. So it becomes here so minus 6 upon a. That is value of a is a 2. Now simplify this. Minus 6 upon 2. How much it is? A simple division. That is a minus 3. So you get here so alpha plus beta is equal to minus b. Now second term. What is your second? Alpha into beta. So you know the value of alpha into beta. For this value, what is formula here sir? Alpha into beta, that is a c upon a. Now put up values. Value of c, that is a minus 5, and value of a, that is a 2. So right here sir 2. You may write as it is or simplify it is. तुम्ही आहे असं ठेवू शकता किंवा सिम्प्लिफाई करू शकता. So I write here some minus 5 upon 2. After simplification or divisions, what do you get here? So minus 2.5. That means alpha into beta. So this is a second value. म्हणजे काय करू शकतो आपण, अल्फा इंटू बीटाची किंमत काढत असताना -5/2 आहे असं ठेवलं तरी चालेल किंवा सिम्प्लिफाय केलं तरी चालेल. सो -5/2 you get here some -2.5. So as like we saw this example, we see one more example, but before this you write all this. So we share the next example. What is the example? The difference between the roots of equation x square minus 13x plus k is equal to 0 is 7. Difference is 7. म्हणजे द डिफरन्स बिटवीन द रूट्स, मुळामधील फरक किती आहे, 7 आहे. देन फाइंड व्हॅल्यू ऑफ के, के ची किंमत काढ. काय करणार, यू सॉल्व रेग्युलरली, नेहमीच्या पद्धतीने आपण जसं सोडवतोय तसंच सोडवायचं आहे. फर्स्ट यू कम्पेअर दिस इक्वेशन टू स्टँडर्ड फॉर कम्पेअरिंग x square minus 13x plus k is equal to 0 with standard form of quadratic equation, which is here some ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. What you get after comparing? So look here, so x square, ax square, that is the value of a, that is 1 here, sir. So right here, sir, a is equal to 1. Then minus 13x, that is the plus bx, value of b, that is the minus 13. So right here, so b is equal to minus 13. And k is equal to here c. So we write here, so c is equal to k. So as like we find out here the value of a, b, c. Now what is given here, sir? What is given here, sir? Difference between the roots. So you know here, so what are the roots? Alpha and beta are the roots. Alpha and beta are the roots of this equation. But you write here, sir, let alpha and beta are the roots of quadratic equation. So right here, first relation, alpha plus beta is equal to, what is formula? Minus b upon a. So right here, so alpha plus beta, put up the values. Minus b, that is the minus 13. So right here, so minus 13 upon a means here, so 1. So it get here, so minus plus, that is the 13. That means we get here, so alpha plus beta is equal to 13. So right here, so alpha plus beta is equal to 13. So this is equation number 1. But what is but? You know here, so difference between the roots, म्हणजे जी काय मुळे त्यातील डिफरन्स किती आहे, 7 आहे. दॅट मीन्स अल्फा मायनस बेटा इज इक्वल टू 7. सो राइट हियर, सो अल्फा मायनस बेटा इज इक्वल टू 7. That is number 2. So observe these two equations. Alpha plus beta is equal to 13 and alpha minus beta is equal to 7. So these are the simultaneous equations. So that is very simple equation. You can solve easily. So look here, sir. Here's a plus beta minus beta. So you do here, sir, addition of these two equations. After addition, what do you get here, sir? Alpha plus alpha, that is a 2 alpha, and 13 plus 7, that is a 20. So we get here, sir, 2 alpha is equal to 20. 2 alpha is equal to 20. So I write here directly after additions. By addition, equation 1 and 2. What we get here, sir? I write here. So alpha plus alpha, that is a 2 alpha, plus beta minus beta get cancels, is equal to 13 plus 7, that is a 20. So I write here, sir, is equal to 20. So 2 alpha is equal to 20. Then what is the value of alpha? We write here directly. That is the 2 here multiple take on this side becomes a dividation. So 20 upon 2, that is a 10. So this is the value of alpha. Then you get here value of alpha. Put this value in equation 1 or 2. You get here value of beta. So put this equation in equation 1. So I write here, so put alpha is equal to 10 in equation 1. So write here, so in equation 1 directly here alpha is equal to 10. So write here, so 10 plus beta is equal to 13. So look here, equation alpha plus beta is equal to 13. You put here value of alpha, that is a 10. 10 plus beta is equal to 13. So I write here 10 plus beta is equal to 13. Now solve this. Beta is equal to, take this 10 on this side, it becomes 13 minus 10. Therefore beta is equal to, how much it? 13 minus 10. 13 minus 10, it is a 3. So this is value of beta. So we get here, so alpha is equal to 10 and beta is equal to 3. But we want here value of k. So for that k, we apply here such second relation, that is now alpha dot beta. We may write here alpha dot beta or alpha into beta. So I write here alpha dot beta. What is formula? C upon A. Now put up the values. You know all this value. Alpha, that is a 10, into beta, that is a 3, is equal to C, that is a k, and value of A, that is a 1. So write here, so 1. So 10 into 3, that is a 30, is equal to k upon 1, that is a k. Therefore we get value of k is equal to 30. So as like we solve this example very easily. Now you write this, then we share next example. Now we share the next example. What is the example? If alpha and beta are root of x square plus 5x minus 1 is equal to 0, then find 1 alpha cube plus beta cube and second alpha square plus beta square. So what is the ask here? So alpha cube plus beta cube and alpha square plus beta square. काय विचारले तुम्हाला? अल्फाचा घन प्लस बीटाचा घन आणि अल्फा स्क्वेअर प्लस बीटा स्क्वेअर, म्हणजे इथं दोन घनांची बेरीज आहे आणि इथं दोन वर्गांची बेरीज आहे. थोडंसं मागं जाऊन आठवा की 8वीला असताना 7वीला असताना तुम्ही इंडायसिस नावाचं प्रकरण शिकला आणि त्या प्रकरणामध्ये याचे तुम्हाला एक्सपान्शन्स फॉर्म्युले झालेले आहेत. सो दीज आर द आयडेंटिटीज यू रिकॉल हिअर्स. तर मला काय करायचं, त्या आयडेंटिटी आठवायचे आहेत आणि त्या फॉर्म्युल्यांचा वापर करून हे गणित आपल्याला सोडवायचं आहे. सो फॉर दॅट फर्स्ट वी स्टार्ट रेग्युलरली. नेहमीच्या पद्धतीने आपण सुरुवात करतोय. फर्स्ट यू कम्पेअर दिस इक्वेशन टू स्टँडर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशन. व्हॉट यू गेट हिअर सर? Comparing x square plus 5x minus 1 is equal to 0 with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So what we get here, sir? A is equal to 1. So right here, sir, A is equal to 1. Then B is equal to 5. So right here, sir, 5 and C is equal to minus 1. Now using relation between coefficients and roots of the quadratic equation, what do we get here? So first alpha plus beta is equal to, what is the relation? Minus B upon A. Put up the values. Minus B, how much here? So minus 5 and A is equal to, that is the 1. So what you get here, sir? Alpha plus beta, that is the minus 5 upon 1, minus 5. So that is the first value of alpha plus beta. Then second here, sir, alpha into beta. So what is formula for alpha into beta? That is the C upon A. Put up the values. C, what is the value of C? That is the minus 1 and value of A, that is the 1. So after simplification, minus 1 upon 1, that is a 1, but it is a minus sign. So that is the alpha into beta. Now using these two formulae, we solve these two questions. First I write here, sir. So we first write here sum. What is first here sum? Alpha cube plus beta cube. So that is a cubic identities. Addition of two cubic terms. So what is formula? You recall here and remind it. हा फॉर्म्युला थोडासा आठवा म्हणजे तुमच्या लक्षात येईल. ए क्यूब प्लस बी क्यूब हाच फॉर्म्युला तुम्हाला कुठल्या पद्धतीने झालाय? ए क्यूब प्लस बी क्यूब. So I write here for your simplicity a cube plus b cube. So what is this formula? In first bracket you write here some a plus b bracket cube minus 3ab and in bracket a plus b. So you recall this formula. तुम्हाला आठवत असेल हा फॉर्म्युला. A cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b bracket cube minus 3ab into a plus b. Now write this formula in the form of alpha cube plus beta cube. For a you write here as alpha and for b you write here as beta. So what is become here sir? Look here sir, alpha plus beta bracket cube minus 3 alpha into beta in bracket alpha plus beta. Now you know this here sir, value of alpha plus beta, alpha dot beta, alpha plus beta. Put up the values. Alpha plus beta. How much alpha plus beta? That is a minus 5. So right here so minus 5 bracket cube minus 3 into alpha dot beta. What is value of alpha dot beta? That is a minus 1. So right here so minus 1 into alpha plus beta. How much it is? Minus 5. So right here so minus 5. Look here, minus 5 cube. So what is the value of minus 5 cube? That is a minus 5 into minus 5 into minus 5. So we get value of this minus 125. Now here multiplication of this term minus minus minus. There are 3 minus, so it becomes only minus. 3 into 1 3 and 3 into 5 15. So right here so 15 is equal to minus 125 minus 15. So there are same signs. So you add this 125 plus 15. How much here? So 140. But sign is minus. So that is the alpha cube plus beta cube. You get here one value. Now we found out next value alpha square plus beta square, which is here so alpha square plus beta square. What is the expansion? That's the expansion काय आहे? Formula काय आहे? बघा, for this expansion we here so alpha plus beta square. What is formula here so? We here so alpha plus beta square. What is formula? I write here so alpha square plus 2 alpha into beta plus beta square. We want here sir alpha square plus beta square. Look here, alpha square plus beta square. So take this term on that side. It becomes alpha plus beta bracket square minus 2 alpha into beta is equal to alpha square plus beta square. So as like you write here sir. What do you write here sir? Alpha square plus beta square. Alpha plus beta bracket square minus 2 alpha into beta. So as like we simplify this formula and write here. Now put up the values. Alpha plus beta. How much alpha plus beta? That is a minus 5. Write here so minus 5 square and minus 2 alpha into beta. That is a minus 1. So write here so minus 1. Now minus 5 square. How much it is? Minus 5 square. That is a 25 minus minus. Plus 2 into 1 2. So what do you get here? 25 plus 2, that is a 27. So this is the value of alpha square plus beta square. So as like we see here some relation between the roots of the quadratic equation and coefficients. And solve here equation depending on this. Now we share the next point, but before this you write all this. Now we share the next point. To obtain a quadratic equation having given roots. Obtain quadratic equation. तुम्हाला काय करायचं? वर्ग समीकरण मिळवायचं आहे, तयार करायचं आहे. When गिवन रूट्स, इफ देर आर गिवन रूट्स, जर तुम्हाला त्याचे रूट्स दिले असतील तर क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशन तुम्हाला तयार करायचं आहे. सो फॉर दॅट what are the roots? Let alpha and beta be the roots of given equations. Alpha आणि बीटा हे तुमचे रूट्स आहेत दिलेल्या इक्वेशनचे. If they are the roots, then how to write? X is equal to alpha or X is equal to beta. So these are the roots. Now simplify this reversely. How is it? If you take this alpha on that side, it becomes a minus. So you get here X minus alpha is equal to 0. Or same way, you take beta on the left side, it becomes minus. So X minus beta is equal to 0. So look here, so this term is equal to 0 or this term is equal to 0. That means one of them is equal to 0. म्हणजे एकाची किंमत कोणाची तरी 0 आहे. That's way you take a product of these two, it is also equal to 0 because one of them is 0. जर या दोघांचा प्रोडक्ट घेतला तर तो सुद्धा 0 येणार आहे कारण दोघांपैकी एकाची किंमत 0 आहे. So in the multiplication product you get it 0. So you write as like x minus alpha in first bracket x minus alpha into in second bracket x minus beta. So right here say x minus beta is equal to 0. Now simplify this product. हा जो प्रोडक्ट आहे तो प्रोडक्ट तुम्ही काय करायचं सिम्प्लिफाय करायचं. यू गेट ॲज लाईक इक्वेशन बट हाऊ इज इट? सो सिम्प्लिफाय हियर. लुक आय सिम्प्लिफाय दिस x into this bracket x into x minus beta, then multiply this minus alpha into here x minus beta. So product this x into x, x square, x into beta, that is a minus x beta. Now multiply this alpha to this bracket minus alpha into x minus alpha x and minus alpha into minus beta, that is a plus alpha dot beta. So what do you get here? X square, that is the same as it is. Minus minus common and there are x, it is also common. So look here, so minus minus common. So you get here beta plus alpha, or you may write here alpha plus beta. So write here alpha plus beta and in last term here plus alpha dot beta, that is the same as it is. So as like you get the product of these two terms is equal to 0. So I write here is equal to 0, is equal to 0, is equal to 0. Now observe this, that is the x square term. Then minus alpha plus beta, that is the coefficient of x, and plus alpha into beta, that is the constant term. So what you observe here, sir? That is a square term, same as it is, minus same as it is, alpha plus beta, that means addition of roots into x, and for constant terms alpha into beta, that is the product of roots is equal to 0. So as like we obtain a quadratic equation when roots are given. जर एखाद्या वर्ग समीकरणाची मूळ आपल्याला दिली असतील तर आपण क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशन तयार करू शकतो या पद्धतीने. Now we share some example and activities on this, but before this you write all this. In your textbook page number 48, there are given two simple activities. It is very simple, you can solve it. दोन ऍक्टिव्हिटी तुम्हाला दिलेले आहेत, एकदम इझिली दिलेले आहेत. कशावर आधारित आहे? टू ऑब्टेन अ क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशन हॅव्हिंग गिवन रूट्स. त्या पॉइंट वरती दोन ऍक्टिव्हिटी एकदम सिंपल तुम्हाला दिलेले आहेत, त्या तुम्ही सॉल्व्ह करू शकता. You can yourself. We share some examples on this, but little one, only one example we share on this. आताच्या भागावरती आपण फक्त एकच एक्झाम्पल बघतोय फॉर युअर अंडरस्टँडिंग हाऊ टू ऑब्टेन क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशन इफ रूट्स आर गिवन. सो लुक हियर ऑब्टेन क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशन. काय करायचं, मला क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशन तयार करायचं आहे. इफ रूट्स आर -3 and -7. सो लेट कन्सिडर दिस रूट्स आर अल्फा and बीटा. Let alpha, that is a -3 and beta is equal to -7. For getting quadratic equation, we want here addition of these two. So right here, alpha plus beta is equal to -3 plus -7. So what is this? minus 3 plus minus 7. There is a same sign, so you add this 3 plus 7, that is a 10. But here minus minus sign, so it is a minus in addition. Then alpha into beta is equal to product of these two, that is a minus 3 into minus 7 is equal to minus minus plus 3 into 7, 21. We get your values of alpha plus beta and alpha dot beta. Now using this we make here some quadratic equations. We know formula of this. What is formula? Therefore, the quadratic equation is, what is this here, sir? X square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha dot beta is equal to 0. So put up the values. X square minus alpha plus beta, how much here, sir? Minus 10. So right here, sir, minus 10 into x plus alpha dot beta, that is a 21, is equal to 0. Now simplify here, sir. X square minus minus plus 10x plus 21 is equal to 0. So as like we get here the quadratic equation if there are given roots are minus 3 and minus 7. तर अशा पद्धतीनं रूट्स दिले असतील तर क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशन कसं तयार करायचं हा भाग इथं आपण पाहिलेला आहे. तर आजच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण इथंच थांबतोय, पण तुम्ही काय करायचं, ऑन पेज नंबर 48 देर आर गिवन टू ऍक्टिव्हिटीज सॉल्व्ह करायचे अँड ऑन पेज नंबर 49 देर इज गिवन लेट्स रिमेंबर्स. आतापर्यंत जो काय भाग झाला हा व्हिडिओ नाही, याच्या आधीचा व्हिडिओ, त्याची समरी थोडक्यात तुम्हाला दिलेली आहे. यू राईट दिस, तुम्ही ती नोट डाऊन करायची. आणि या सर्व घटकांच्या आधारे तुम्हाला काय करायचं, प्रॅक्टिस सेट 2.5 सोडवायचा आहे. आपण पुन्हा भेटतोय पुढच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये पुढचा भाग घेऊन, ऍप्लिकेशन ऑफ क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशन. बट बिफोर दिस यू सॉल्व प्रॅक्टिस सेट 2.5. तोपर्यंत सर्वांना धन्यवाद. बाय बाय. सी यू वन्स अगेन.